Today you will review the short I and long I sound with the magic E. You will also learn 2 different ways to spell the long I sound. Hey, welcome back. This week we're going to be working with 4 new patterns. So, on the top of your board, go ahead and draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll get started with our first pattern for this week. The first pattern is that I sound. Because we have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, making this letter say its short name, I. So go ahead and say and write I on your first line, and we're going to number that number 1. Our second pattern for this week is the long I sound. And that comes when we have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern with the magic E at the end, making this letter say its name, I. Our third pattern for this week is going to be another long I sound, but we have 3 letters making that one sound. So watch me first. These 3 letters together all say I. Say and write I on your third line. That happens when we have a vowel, consonant, consonant pattern. We have our vowel right here with the consonant, consonant. And these 3 letters together say I. And our fourth pattern for this week is going to be another I sound, but it's spelled with a Y. So in our fourth column, go ahead and write the letter Y. And we're going to write that this equals the long I sound. So when we see this letter at the end of our word, we are going to say I. Let's get started. Our first word for this week is the word might. It might rain today. Let's say our sounds together. I, t, might. We have these 3 letters in the middle of our word saying I. What pattern does that match? Right. That matches our third pattern with our 3 letters making one sound, I. Let's say and write might under column 3. I, t, might. Now let's dot and dash. I, t, might. Because these 3 letters together make one sound, we need to make sure that we are underlining those. Okay, our next word is this word. This is the word quick. Say quick. Now let's see the sounds of quick. Qu, I, k, quick. Where does quick go? Yeah, quick goes under column 1. We have this one letter right here saying I. Let's say write quick under column 1. Qu, I, k, quick. Now let's dot and dash. Qu, I, k, quick. Pay close attention to the beginning sound. These 2 letters together say qu. Our next word is Y. Let's say our sounds for Y. W, I. Here's that letter right here saying the long I sound. Y goes under column 4. Let's say and write Y together. W, I. Y. Now let's dot and dash. W, I. Y. Why does it make that sound? Just to trick us. Excuse me. Our next word is the word white. Say white. Now let's say the sounds of white. W, I, t, white. White goes under column 2. We have this one letter here saying I because of our magic E at the end. Let's say and write Y under column 2. W, I, t, white. Now let's dot and dash. W, I, t, white. Let's add a couple more for this week. Our next word is the word high. Say hi. Now let's say the sounds of hi. H, I. Hi. Where does hi go? 1, 2, 3, or 4? You're right. Hi goes under column 3. It has these 3 letters together saying I. Let's say and write hi together. H, I. Hi. Now let's dot and dash. I. Hi. Now this is the type of high like he jumped so high. Our next word is the word right. Say right. Now let's say the sounds of right. I, t. Right. Where does right go? You are right. Right goes under column 3. It has these 3 letters together saying I. Let's say and write right under column 3. I, t. Right. Now let's dot and dash. I, t. Right. This is a type of write like you write with your right hand, or you are right. Oh no. Boys and girls, this is supposed to be the word night. Go ahead and change the to an night. Your word is night. Same sounds, just change that beginning sound from a to a n. Your word is night, like it is nighttime. Our next word is the word twice. Say twice. Say the sounds for twice. Ice. Twice. Where does twice go? Twice goes under column 2. It has this vowel here saying I because of our magic E at the end. Say and write twice under column 2. I, twice. Now let's dot and dash. Ice. Twice. Our next word is the word quite. Let's say quite. Now let's say the sounds of quite. I, t. Quite. It is quite hot in here. Where does quite go? Yeah, quite goes under column 2. It has this 1 letter here saying I because of our magic E at the end. Let's say and write quite under column 2. I, t. Quite. Now let's dot and dash. I, t. Quite. Our next word is the word cry. Say cry. Now let's say the sounds of cry. I. Cry. Where does cry go? Absolutely. Cry goes under column 4. It has this letter right here saying I. Let's say and write cry under column 4. I. Cry. Now let's dot and dash. I. Cry. Our next word is the word bright. Say bright. Now let's say the sounds of bright. B. I. T. Bright. Where does bright go? You are right. Bright goes under night. These 3 letters together say I. Let's say and write bright under column 3. B. I. T. Bright. Now let's dot and dash. B. I. T. Bright. And our last word for this week is the word sky. Say sky. Now let's say the sounds for sky. Sk. I. Sky. Where does sky go? Yeah, sky goes under column 4. This 1 letter right here is saying I. Let's say and write sky under column 4. Sk. I, sky. Now let's dot and dash. I, sky. Okay, let's go over our patterns for this week, and we'll go over the new words that we learned today. Our first pattern makes the short I sound. We have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern making this letter say I. I, quick. Our second pattern makes the long I sound. We have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern with the magic E at the end, making this vowel say its name. I. I, white. I, twice. I, quite. Our third pattern says I, and in this pattern we have three letters together making that long I sound. I, might. I, high. I, night. I, bright. And our fourth pattern makes the long I sound again, but it's spelled with this letter. I, why. I, cry. I, sky. Nice job.
Now it is your turn. Go to your seat and do your sort on your own. You now know 3 ways to spell the I sound.